Close grip bench press. This is the best compound exercise for muscle growth as it targets tricep, chest and shoulder muscle, improve overall pressing strength. Lean down on a flat bench with your back supported and hold the barbell above your chest with the close grip, keeping the elbow close to the body. Lower the barbell toward your lower chest and then press it upward until your entire arms is straight. During this entire movement, you should maintain focus on the tricep muscle and do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Rope push down. This is a popular tricep exercise. It provides a good pump to the overall tricep muscle and also isolate the tricep. Stand straight in front of the cable machine and attach the rope cable to the upper lock of the machine and hold the cable with the both hands, keeping your elbow close to the body. Pull the rope cable all the way down, then squeeze the tricep muscle. Then slowly bring in the cable to the starting position with control form. Start using a light weight, then gradually increase the weight and do 4 sets and 15 to 20 repetitions. Incline easy bar skull crusher. Target the long head of the tricep, will also engage the shoulder and chest muscle. Lean down on an incline bench with slightly incline, holding the easy bar with an overhead grip, keeping the upper arm stable. Bend your elbow and bringing the bar toward your head and then bringing the bar upward will fully extend the arms. If you want, you can also perform it on a flat bench. It is a very good exercise to develop a stronger tricep. Do 4 sets of it and 10 to 12 repetitions. One arm dumbbell overhead extension. Focusing on isolating each tricep individually, improving balance and strength. Stand straight or sit on the bench with back supported and hold a dumbbell in one hand, keeping your upper arms close to your ears and elbow bended. Lower the dumbbell behind your head and then bring in the dumbbell upward with fully extend your arms, then squeeze the tricep muscle. With the same form, it has to be performed from the other hand also. Do 4 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions with both hands. Tricep dips, a compound exercise that targets the tricep, chest and shoulder, holding a parallel bar with your arm fully extended and will maintaining the balance of the entire body. Slowly lower your body until your upper arms become parallel to the ground. Then bring in your body upward to the starting position. Whenever you bring in your body upward, squeeze the tricep muscle. Try to do 4 sets of this and as many repetitions as possible.